In this walkthrough, I'm going to show you how fast and easy it is to launch a mobile-only campaign using our brand new guided setup option with the main goal of driving in-store visits. This is perfect for when you want to measure foot traffic for your campaign, but need a little assistance getting started. Let's dive right in. First, we'll click the New Campaign button. On the left, you'll see the Guided Setup option. This option is specifically designed for users who are new to our Ads Manager platform. Remember, this is currently for mobile-only campaigns. If you're looking to run a campaign on a channel other than mobile, or you're more advanced or custom setup, you'll want to use the Manual Setup option. Let's continue. For this demo, we'll select the Store Visits objective. This choice simply tells the system that our goal is to drive and measure as many physical visits to your location as possible. Enter your location or locations where you want to measure foot traffic. You can enter them manually, or for a long list of locations, use our template. Download it, fill in your locations, and upload the file. For this example, I will manually enter a single restaurant location. Before adding any location details, you must name your location group. This is required whether you have one or hundreds of locations. Next, tell us where you want your ads to appear. You have a lot of flexibility here. You can target a DMA, a city, county, zip code, a specific address, or even coordinates. I'm going to add the zip code where my restaurant is located, as well as nearby zip codes. If you have a large list of addresses or coordinates, save yourself some time and use our bulk upload locations feature. Now, let's decide who you want to reach. You'll select the audience segments here. For my campaign, I want to reach frequent casual restaurant visitors, meaning reaching customers who visited restaurants at least 5 times in the past 90 days. Notice on the right, the system is recommending additional audiences often chosen together. This is a great way to increase your campaign's reach if needed. I'm going to add a few suggestions now. Now set the campaign's budget and dates. In the guided setup, your only budget option is daily budget. I'll enter $25. This means the campaign will average $25 a day with a maximum daily weekly spend of $175. While the daily spend might flex as our system optimizes for performance, your weekly spend remains capped. Next, we'll choose the campaign start date. I'll choose today. By default, your campaign will run continuously. You can pause your campaign at any time or set an end date by selecting the Set an End Date checkbox and selecting the date. Time to add a creative. You can upload an image, video, script tag, or if you don't have creative ready, you can quickly build a simple mobile banner using the text banner option. I'm going to choose the image option and upload one of the recommended sizes, 320 by 50. I'll enter the website URL where users will land after clicking the ad. Finally, let's give the campaign a descriptive name so it's easy to find later. You have 2 options. Click Start Campaign to launch it immediately, or click Save for later if you're not quite ready. Additionally, since this is a campaign whose objective is to track visits, please check the status of your locations for visit tracking in Location Manager. This is to confirm that the location or locations you've added have been blueprinted to properly track visitation to your establishments. Congratulations, your campaign is now active. Please allow 1 to 2 hours for full activation. Also, be aware that most performance metrics, except for spend and total spend, will display with a 24-hour delay. Let's take a look under the hood. I'm going to click the eye icon to open the campaign we just created. You'll see that the system automatically builds 2 separate ad groups, one for on-premise targeting, which targets only the chosen location or locations with a 3-mile radius around it, and one for audience targeting, which targets the audiences chosen within the specified geos. This is a key feature of the guided setup flow with the store visits objective. Based on thousands of campaigns on our platform, we see that this split delivers the best results to driving visits. The on-premise ad group received 40% of the daily budget, and the audience ad group received the remaining 60%. If you need to make changes, you can click on the ad group and use the eye icon to open it fully, or click the pencil icon for quick edits like changing the name, flight dates, or bid price. And that's it. That's how you quickly launch a campaign whose main goal is to drive in-store visits.
Interested in learning more? Check help.groundtruth.com.